What's up, nail crew? Do y'all see these feet? Do y'all see these feet? Oh my goodness. Let's see how well I could transform these little toes here, because JADYN done tried it. She tried it with these raggedy ass toes. Y'all, JADYN came to me and said, "Mommy, can you do my toenails?" And I jumped at the chance because she is such a tomboy. She doesn't even wear shoes outside. She will just go outside barefoot at any given time of the day, winter, summer, spring, or fall. She does not care. She just does not take care of her feet. She's just a tomboy, and I really hope it's just a phase. I hope it's a phase because, child, do y'all see these? Look at these toenails. Look at what I got to deal with. My goodness. So anyway, I was so happy when she said, "Mommy, can you do my toenails?" I wish she would ask me to do her nails because her nails look just as bad. Oh my God, it is such a shame. Like, I'm so girly. I love my hair done. I love my nails done. I love my toes done. And then this girl doesn't even want to wear shoes outside. So I don't know. Hopefully, guys, hopefully one day she will blossom into a wonderful little girly girl. She's going into high school next year. So maybe in high school, she'll get a little bit girly. And at the very least, don't go outside barefoot. Come on, JADYN. Like, oh my goodness. Anyway, y'all, I'm just going to do a very quick pedicure on her, because if I spend too much time on her toes, she's going to get frustrated and say, "Forget it, never mind," and it's going to be over before it even started. So a normal pedicure, I probably would have soaked her feet, make sure I got all the previous nail polish off and all that fun stuff. But with JADYN, I just have to get in and get out. So if you look closely, especially along like the cuticle line, there is like a little bit of nail polish left over from the previous set that she did. And she did that previous set herself. Like, I'm not going to take credit for that. But yeah, there's a little bit of nail polish left like in the crease. And we tried to get that out and it was just frustrating her. So I just said, okay, leave it alone. We will just polish over it and hopefully nobody sees it when we're done. So yeah, that's why she still has a little polish there. I know, guys, it looks horrible, but listen, if she's letting me paint these nails, I'm on her rules. I'm following her rules, and I'm just trying to get it in and get done before she says forget it. So anyway, right now I'm going in with my Asp Prep and Dehydrate. I do this for every set, and if you notice, before I go back into the bottle, I am wiping the brush off on a piece of paper towel because I'm doing feet and it's the same bottle that I use for my fingernails and I don't want to cross-contaminate. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the primer that I'm using. This is Mia Secret Primer. I use it all the time here on this channel, and I'm doing the same thing, wiping it on her toes, very thin layers, and then before I put the brush back in the bottle, wiping it on a lint-free paper towel, okay? And I did 2 coats of the Prep and Dehydrate, and I'm also going to do 2 coats of the primer here. So as far as the nail design or art that we plan to do on her toes today, I don't really have a set design in mind, but I do know she wants white. Okay, so she saw that my fingernails are white and she kind of liked that, and she said she wanted white toes. And I know that she is such a, like, she's going to be outside kicking dirt and rocks in like 2 minutes. So I said, how about we do a little bit of glitter as well, because the glitter will kind of camouflage some of the dirt that she's going to go outside and pick up right now. And she was so reluctant to the glitter, but I was like, please let me do glitter. And she said, okay. So we decided on white and glitter. And here is the glitter that I'm going to use. It is my favorite glitter. I got it from Sally's Beauty. It is called Flash and Lights, and I will link that below for you guys. Now, to be honest, I wish she would just do all her toes in glitter and be done with it because, I mean, duh, right? But I know she's not really feeling glitter like that. So I said, okay, let's just do the big toe with glitter and go from there. So I did brush on a base coat of gel polish, and now I am using this little fan brush here, just a regular fan brush I got out of, I think, Walmart. And I'm just brushing in the glitter. So picking it up with the fan brush, dabbing it into the gel polish, and just making it stick. And it is gorgeous already. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm thinking I might do all my toes in glitter because this glitter, oh, I love it. It is my favorite glitter so far, hands down. I have to go back to Sally's and get some more because when I'm done with this glitter, it's going to make me cry. All right, so she saw the glitter on the big toe and she said, oh, I like that. So she told me she wanted to do her middle toe and pinky toe with the glitter, and then the other two toes in white. So she wanted to alternate the glitter and the white. And I was so happy. I said, okay, I did it so quick before she changed her mind, y'all. I was begging her to just let me do all toes in glitter, and she said, nope. This is what I want. And I'm just like, all right, let's just do it. So I went ahead and put the base coat on the middle toe and the pinky toe, and then I did the same technique to brush in the glitter. And now I'm going in with this white polish here. It is such a small bottle. I got it from Walmart. It is from the Sensational brand, and it came with, I think it came with the top coat, and maybe like a little pink to do a pink and white set. It's so old. I got it from Walmart, guys, so you guys can check that out if you want to. And I'm just going in on the other two toes with a thin coat of this white polish, and then I'm going to put the lamp on top of it and cure that for 60 seconds. And so far, I mean, I wouldn't have picked this design, but looking at it on her toes, it actually looks pretty good. It looks good, and it looks age appropriate. So now I let that cure for 60 seconds, and I'm going back in with a second coat of this white, just so the white pops a little bit more. I'm not going to do a second coat of that glitter because I feel like the glitter is super, like, it coated the nails very well. So I don't think I need to go and do a second coat of that glitter. The glitter looks really, really good. So I'm just going to do a second coat of this white and cure that for another 60 seconds. And now that that is out of the lamp, I'm going in with my ASP top coat. Now, the reason I'm using this top coat is because it's not one of my favorites, and I don't want to get glitter in my good top coats. You know what I mean? So instead of using my good top coats and then, you know, getting glitter particles in it, I'm just going to use this ASP. And since it's a pedicure, I think it'll be fine. Like, it's not a bad top coat. It's just not one of my favorites. So that's why I went ahead and used it. And guys, look, I think it came up. Listen, y'all, I'm going to have to add in a before and after picture at the end of this so y'all can see what I went through. But these toes look good, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and put on my cuticle oil. She didn't even want me to use the cuticle oil, y'all. But I'm like, nope. Let's do it. And here we go. Before and after. Oh, my God. And she has on shoes. She has on shoes, guys. Oh my God. All right, so this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like when I was done. Oh my God. Like, what do y'all think? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think of her toes before and after. Darling, twerk, roll me, twerk, roll me, twerk that, twerk now, twerk that. But I just had to add that little clip in there of her dancing because that's what she literally does every single day. In the morning before school, after school, at school, in the bathroom, in my room, in the living, everywhere. That's all she does is dance all day, no shoes on. So I just have to add a little clip in there so you guys can get the full gist of what I got to deal with. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought about the toenails before and after. Comment, let me know what you think about JADYN's dancing. And here are 2 more videos for you to watch. Watch these videos. Watch these videos. Hey, I'm dancing like JADYN. I'm dancing like JADYN. Hey.